Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen the architecture of Power BI and now let's look at what is Power BI service and how we can actually start using the service. In the last video, we saw that once we create whatever required graphs or views that we want, we do it on desktop. But then if you want to publish them and if you want to use it on mobile devices, you will have to go for Power BI service. Okay, so the Power BI service can be used on the website called app.powerbi.com with a school or work account. So as I mentioned, you will have to be a part of an organization because the personal accounts don't work. So let me show you an example here. And then after that, we will also see how to use the comma separated values file. Okay. So what is a comma separated value file? A CSV file stands for comma separated values. It's a plain text that stores data in a tabular format. Each line typically represents a record and values within a record are separated by commas. So a CSV file is very important and you can download it from various popular websites. I will explain how we can do that as well. So first what we'll do is we'll look at how to access the service using app.powerbi.com. First thing, let's open Google Chrome. Okay, and here we'll go to, as you can see, app.powerbi.com, and it will ask you to log in. Now as you can see here, I already have an account because we already have a work account. Like here you can see info@cloudinstitution.com. Okay, so you also have to be a part of an organization, only then we can use the services. But you don't have to worry because most of our demonstrations are going to be on the Power BI desktop. So it's only for your understanding I am helping you to log in. So let me log in here. Once you give your password, you log in. Okay, let me see, there's a wrong password. Let us put again. Okay, now I think it has taken and it says do stay signed in. Okay, I'll say don't show this again and I'll say yes. That means I want to just keep signed in on this computer. Now this is how the Power BI service looks like. Okay, and we are going to use this later. This is only to explain to you how we can actually use the Power BI service. Okay, this one. Now let's understand what is a CSV file and how we create a CSV file. Okay, so to create a CSV file, it's very easy. Just go to Excel. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so now we are in Excel. Here if I write something like roll number, student name, and then phone number. Okay, and suppose roll number is 1, roll number is 2, roll number 3, like that. And student details, let's put some student details like my name, and you can have another few names here like this, and then some phone number. Okay, okay, sorry if this is a particular format issue, but now it's fine. Now this file can be stored as a CSV by just going to File, Save As option, and here it will ask you to save it as a CSV, that is comma delimited file. We'll call this as, let's say, Power BI-demo file, and we'll store it in the D drive. Let me call it, let us go to D drive. So this PC, D drive, let's create a folder called Power BI demo and open that folder and save it. Okay. Now, if you go back to that folder, let us open that folder. Let us go to Power BI demo, and here you will see that file. It looks like an Excel file, but if you go to properties, you will see that it's not a Excel file, it's a CSV file. Let me magnify this and show you, because it's a very important stuff. See here, it says that it's a Microsoft Excel comma separated values, okay, file. So it's a CSV file. Okay, so this is how we actually create a CSV file. You please make sure that you are following this and doing it on yourself. Now the second thing is, if you want to have certain data sources, you can simply go to Google, and in Google you can go to a website called 𝗙𝗂𝗋𝗲.com. Okay, Kaggle is a very important website for data scientists, and in Kaggle you will be able to find various data sets. So if you go to data sets here on the left side, you can actually find a lot of data sets, out of which let me just type here as chocolate. Okay, so here you will get something like chocolate rating, chocolate bar ratings, things like that, chocolate data sales. So let us go to chocolate data sales, and you will get a download button here. So you click on download, and it will give you an option to download the zip file. Okay, now I have already downloaded the zip file, so I can show it to you. It's here. Can you see this? I had already downloaded the file, which is a zip file, and if you see, it was this one, download dataset as zip. So what I did was I right clicked on this and said extract all. So so when I say extract all, I selected the same location, and we got the extracted file here. And if you see here, this is chocolate sales data, and if you see the properties, it's a CSV file. Okay, and if you open this, it will completely look like an Excel file. Okay, let us open this file. Okay, so you got this file here, and you can see that it's completely talking about some salesperson data, some country, product, date, amount, boxes shipped, and so on. Okay, so this looks like Excel file, but it is a comma separated value file, right? So next step, what we are going to do is we are going to start using this Excel file in the Power BI as a data source. Okay, all right. So please go ahead and practice all this, and in the next video we'll start using the CSV file in the Power BI software. Thank you.